Bit slippery. Don't look behind.
I'm a bit worried about going down there. They fucking lost it, have they?
I don't know where. Have they crashed or?
I don't know if it's a fight or.
I don't know whether, yeah, partying or fighting or what. Oh, can someone help my friend? Oh no, is someone under that car?
We better get down there.
Let's get down there. We can get the jack or something and jack it up. I don't know how you get down. Right. Here we go again. This is practice for you, this, getting up here.
You are?
This is practice, this.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Don't walk it.
Yeah.
Oh, my scooter's gone off, look. That's why I'm not going anywhere. Just spinning. Woo! Oh, look at that. Synwave controller. Straight up. Can you remember where that bloke said go? Can you remember which way that bloke said to go?
No, I have no idea.
Oh,
asking the wrong person.
It's telling the wrong people, me and you, I tell you.
Don't get me involved with directions, you'll end up in fucking Vietnam, I'm telling you.
I need Kelly here because she remembers everything.
It don't matter really, does it?
Nah, as long as we know the way back.
We got phones, haven't we?
Yeah, and I've got my power pack in case the battery goes.
I got my power pack as well.
Was it in the van?
I brought my pump.
Oh, car's up here.
They sent me a new pump.
Yeah,
Because I told you the other pump was pathetic.
yeah,
And that comes with a cable which I know will charge my phone.
yeah.
Well, I can charge my phone off my controller, see, off my screen. But
Yeah, I can charge mine here on this.
Yeah, I can as well. And I've got the power pack, so I went one-handed then.
Everyone's fishing here. Lovely spot to fish if you're into that. Oh, don't like these potholes. My head's still hurting from that crash. Yeah, my head's still hurting from that crash and going over these. God.
Makes your teeth rattle.
Yeah.
Not on this edition.
I think I need to loosen my suspension for stuff like this.
This is a Cadillac,
Oh.
You could have seen what I went over and it was doing it. I just thought bollocks to it and I just did it, but I was wheeling over holes and they were just stupid.
Yeah, see, that's what I mean. Like when Dave had his crash, a little hole like this, he tried to go round it instead of just pulling up over it.
I had no choice. It was just, couldn't go round it. And when you're in a rut, you're stuck in a rut, isn't it?
This is a bit of everything, this, isn't it? Off-road, on-road. Right.
Have you got cruise control?
No, no. Morning. Right. Oh, this is where I can come to get drone footage of the steam train. This is where I can come to get drone footage of the steam train.
Yeah.
Oh look, you can go up there as well. There's a trail up there. Is that where you said turn right? Up?
Right.
Oh, let me look at the maps again.
What you've got to do is, you've got to get in between You don't go up too high, but you got to get in between the reservoirs, haven't we?
Yeah.
So, I mean, this would probably do it.
Yeah, I was
Going
thinking
the
that.
wrong way. Is he classing this as the road?
Well, he did say you have to go on it for a quarter of a mile.
Is this what he's calling a road, though?
Right.
They said go on the fire road. I saying going up there, I am. Where you just said.
Up there, is
He
it?
said fire road, didn't he?
Well, according to this, there's a... Oh, here we go. Ah. Right,
We've got to stay next to the res on the way back. We can't go wrong, can we?
by the looks of it, it's that way.
It is it?
Yeah.
We just got to follow the res, haven't we?
Yeah.
On the right hand side of it. Yeah, I can't get on with the other foot.
Well, it's an adventure. So if we're wrong, we can always turn back. Oh no, there's two paths. Well, that didn't show up on the maps. Oh, hang on, no, we're going the wrong way. That's going down to that waterworks house.
Yeah, this is not good.
Yeah, probably should have went up.
That's the fire road.
Maybe, yeah. Should we try up there? Should we try up this one? Yeah. The joys of not knowing where you're going. We can either go at the side of the train or we can go up that one.
These are stupid, isn't they, scooter? Number 2 and it's just not even touching the throttle.
Right, let's go up. We could ask them people there, they might know. Oh. Yeah, we have to go this way. He didn't say anything about this, did he? Trying not to spin. Didn't think I'd be off-roading today. Oh, this is a mess.
Do the reservoirs this way.
Right, so if you go up here,
Yeah.
you end up eventually, if you carry on all the way, you get to Ponto. Do you know that? Have you heard of that?
No, I have no idea, but
Right,
no
okay.
idea.
We're going to get lost, whatever.
It don't matter, but we
Right,
just,
so if you carry on up here,
yeah.
it's difficult. You will go around the reservoirs. Are you aiming for somewhere in particular?
No, not really, but he said if we go up here, we might have to go on the road for a quarter of an hour, but then he said we can pass through the reservoirs and get over to the other side.
We don't know.
of
We don't know whether it's this one or that little track what goes up the side of the train line there.
No, that one will just take you across. There's a bridge that takes you across between the two reservoirs. You don't want to do that one.
Right.
And basically, you want to carry on all the way up here.
Yeah.
And then there's a left turn in then where you'll see as you're going up here on the left hand side you'll see the outdoor pursuit centre where they got Dollar Gear.
All right.
Where they've got little buildings where they do outdoor activities.
Canoes and things like that, is it?
You need to, just after you see that on the left, you need to, which is where we are going, you need to turn left then.
Do you want to jump on the back? All right.
Track though,
Yeah.
What if you stay on this track?
Yeah.
It's difficult to describe to you. It's easy for me, but it's difficult to describe to you. You will get across the other side, and then you'll be in the forest the other
forest
side
road,
then,
you
which
say.
is where you want to get
All right.
to.
Yeah.
You end up at a place called Pontistill, which is
Yeah,
it's the end of the track, and then
Is
you've
it
got
Western?
well, you see the railway track. It's where it ends.
Yeah,
Ah.
the
So
easiest
you're
for you.
basically following
Go
that.
to Topanto, which is where this track ends. You'll come through a gate, and you'll see the road. Yeah. Then when you get to the road, you turn left onto that road is probably your best bet.
Right. Okay.
And then you'll eventually end up on the forest track the other
It's
side.
not a busy road. We're trying to stay away from cars, and you don't
You
mind.
will end up on the road, but you can't
This
do
time you
anything.
should be all right.
You've got to get on that road to get onto the other side of this
All right.
of this
Just trying to stay
reservoir,
away
basically.
Everybody's
Or you'd
way
have to
and
turn
things.
around and come back.
Yeah.
That's the other option. Is you just do a U-turn by the Tapanto.
Yeah.
Go to Tapanto through the gate and try and
Turn left.
get onto the road and turn
Does
left.
that, will that go back towards Merthyr way then?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, okay.
Where have you come from then?
Merthyr.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will.
Eventually
You'll
you'll
be
end up
in the forest the other side of the reservoir, and then where you were on that res wall, but they're just talking to those guys earlier because we see you talking to the guys on the bikes. You'll end up eventually back there.
Ah, back there. It comes down at the other side.
Yeah.
He said it would come
almost
back.
like a
Yeah.
Ah, that's perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
Right.
If you stay on here,
You'll probably see you when you get lost now.
Staying on the scooters.
You'll see us up there lost somewhere.
if you stay on this road, the path almost takes you straight up to Tapanto.
Right. So
Right.
pretty much stay on this
Thank
road.
you.
Okay.
Oh, this is horrible. Slidey as well. Going for it. There we go. Slippery this is. It's slippery this. But I have got a bow tyre at the front.
I think this is where the traction control is coming in. I haven't slipped once.
Yeah. See, I would be much better off with a scooter like that, wouldn't I? But I do like this scooter though.
I mean, if I hadn't had this and I didn't know any different, I'd be quite happy to have that.
Well, someone commented on my YouTube the other day saying about this, couldn't find this scooter anywhere. But I've not seen it in stock anywhere anymore. So I don't know whether it's been discontinued or... Oh, look at that view. Because of the camera on it, I'm sliding sideways. I need to get up, but I can't. There we are. Whew.
Yeah, look at that.
Stunning.
That's fantastic.
Shame they cut all the trees and that down.
There's cabins down there, look.
Oh, I love the way them mountains crisscross there. I feel like I'm in Scotland or somewhere.
Yeah, it could be anywhere, couldn't it? It could
Yeah.
be Canada, Sweden, Norway, anywhere. It's
Wow.
fantastic.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I kept sliding towards the edge.
Yeah, not too bad on this one, I'll be honest. Yeah, it's just practice, isn't it? I mean, we did this for a couple of weeks.
Yeah, I think we should take some of the little off bits as well, like, you know, see where they go.
Well, I'm hoping to get, I just don't want to, I want to do everything and I want to go off-roading, but I'm just scared if I do dab my foot down again, I'm not going to be doing anything at all. So
Yeah,
I should be grateful for doing this.
yeah.
It's hard. I'm a bit of a twat for not sort of backing out.
I'm just happy to be out, so I don't mind what I do.
I'm trying to say, I should be grateful for doing this.
Yeah.
But I do want to go off-roading as well.
Oh, there's the train line down there, look.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, little camping pods. There's a park down there. Is that the path we're going on? Where them white cars and that white van is?
Possibly. Can you hear all the people down there?
Yeah.
Go through a gate.
I can see a tent. Oh, we could bring our tent down here.
Yeah.
What are they doing? What's with all the beeping?
The party or something. Are they worried about going down there? They fucking lost it, have they?
I don't know where. Are they crashed or?
I don't know if it's a fight or...
I don't know whether. Yeah, partying or fighting or what? Can someone help my friend? Oh no, is someone under that car?
We better get down there.
Let's get down there. We can get the jack or something and jack it up. I don't know how you get down there. How did you get down? Oh, I'm sliding. Yeah, something has. Trouble is now, the police turn up. She was screaming, saying, "Somebody help my friends."
I was screaming, I thought it was a party or something, was it?
I did.
Getting down here is going to be a thing.
Don't even know how you get down.
There's a road there, look. So we're going to come to that road up here.
Gonna be filthy after this, guys. Oh. Yeah. Flicking mud everywhere. Oh. Oh, this is a horrible track. Oh, I wasn't expecting this today. There we go, guys. We're going to be caked in mud today now. Whoa, sliding, sliding, sliding. He had a little slide there. Right, I need to go over the other side. Oh no, just straighten it out. Oh, it's been dry all week. Now look at the scooter. I do need to catch up with Brent. So planning on falling off today. I wasn't planning on falling off the other day, to be honest. There we go. Yeah, I had to go a bit slower up there because I'm sliding a bit and my mud guards are not so good on this, as you can see by my jeans and back probably.
This scooter is fucking awesome.
I know.
Oh, there's no difference.
Oh. Just got to tighten my camera up here, it's falling now.
I must be getting close to them now.
Oh, rain, please go away. I hate being out in the rain. Like, I don't want anything else to go wrong on my scooter now. I was going to put some silicone or something in the front of my scooter to stop water getting in. There's not much, there's just a tiny bit in there the other day. But I wasn't expecting rain. Not today anyway. Can't see out these goggles with all the water. I need some wipers. Oh, my arms are getting pins and needles from all these bumps. We're definitely the other side. Ah, we was right over there, I can see now. Oh. So bumpy. Well, it's windy over this side. Must have been shielded by all the trees over there. Alright, what's going on? We are... You okay?
Yeah. I'm worried about those people I am. Don't know where we are now, relation to you. Dogs down there.
Ah, when she said, can somebody help my friend though, that's not their dog attacking people, is it?
No. Well, no, because the hazards were on the car and the alarm was going off. So it could be something like you said that...
Oh, hang on. There's the, I think, oh my God, look at my scooter. I think there's them vans. There's a road down here.
Said turn left by the canoe place, isn't it?
Yeah, there's a road what goes over that little bridge down here, and that's what goes to that place.
He said don't go on that one, didn't he? That's what he said. That's where, you know the path you said about?
Yeah?
He said that's where that leads to.
Okay.
But he said don't go on that one, I don't know why.
This rain wasn't even forecast.
Oh, man.
This rain wasn't even forecast.
I thought we had been raining. I'm alright, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright at the minute. It's just I was going to put some silicone in the front of my scooter where that...
I tell you what, yeah, you've got that conformer coating, though, haven't you?
Yes,
Brilliant stuff, that is. Corrosion X is good because it doesn't leave any coating on it like that conformer coating.
yeah.
And that is, I've never had any fucking problems with that. It's amazing. Well, this thing is pretty good, see, isn't it?
I wasn't expecting this this road today.
It's very good. I'm quite enjoying this.
Yeah,
Because the scooter's moving about, it's getting used to the scooter, the balance and things.
yeah.
But this thing, it's not even slipping. And these tyres are crap on it, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is the traction control, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that's a good thing to have.
Whoa! I got a bit cocky last time and the front wheel went for no reason, so I'm trying to be a little bit flexible. You want the front wheel going on this steer,
No.
straight on your face.
That's the problem with Barry's, is I think because I was sitting down on his seat as well, and it's so light, I didn't have my weight pushed back, so I think when I braked, that's why I went over the handlebars.
You get complacent, so you just having a little mess around in the car park.
You think you're alright, yeah.
And it's not as powerful as your scooter, and you just weren't concentrating with.
And I think my throttle is in a different position to his as well.
What, bud?
My throttle is in a different position to his as well. You are? Yeah.
You want to fall out here?
Oh, I don't want to fall on all this crap.
Colour's not the best, is it, on the front?
All orange.
You can't swap motors, can you?
Right guys, I'm on my last battery on my GoPro, and we're quite far away. I don't know how many miles we've done. I'm 690 now. So we'll have to see. I can't see much out of this. Should be done.
To the junction, yeah, it would
It
be,
is,
yeah.
that's what they said.
Yeah.
Right, just on that one.
That
They
takes you
mentioned
back
the
to
fire
Plain
road,
of
they
Van,
did.
yeah.
Right.
But,
So down your quarter-mile, split to the left.
Right, okay.
And then you'll get to another junction. The left is an outdoor pursuit centre. Turn right, and that'll take you back to the village. Then.
That's what he was
That's
on.
what he
Yeah.
said.
Thank you.
Enjoy your walk.
Oh, they are.
A bit scary.
I bet, yeah.
Scaring the shit out of me, to be honest with you.
Hey, you look like you're handling it. Don't worry.
Do I?
Yeah.
It's very deceiving.
You're a good liar.
Shut up, you. Right, thank you.
No problem.
Bye. Oh yes, back on the road.
Back on the road.
On the road again. Oh,
Up your head, boy.
don't look behind.
Stay in the middle of the road. Oh, I know. Look at that. Just the front there. No, I don't think so.
Nah. Oh, look, there's a little bridge there.
Look at all this.
Oh, a step to the other side. Right, this might be the side I've driven down. If I recognise anything, I'll know where I am. Because I came down here in the car to fly the drone somewhere. But I don't think it was this bit, but it was this side of the reservoir.
Came down in your lorry.
No, I came in my car.
All right.
Go on, you go. Oh, I'm getting sprayed. Yeah, this is where I came. That bit down there, Brent. That bit down there is that other bit I want to go one day.
Quite busy, isn't it? What do you say then?
That bit behind us is the other bit I think I want to go one day.
All right.
Not today, obviously.
Oh, you're doing it today?
Yeah.
I'm doing this in the summer as well.
Can you remember what mileage you was on before we left?
Well, mine was nothing, so
So how many we done so far?
11 and a half.
So I was on 6.
11.3.
Right. Lovely. I love it. They were loving it as well, but look at it. Oh, I've needed this ride.
This is lovely.
Yeah, I needed this.
Perfect. And we're cleaning the scooters now as well.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
Yeah, this is nice. Don't even matter, it's drizzling, does it?
Nah,
No, I'm enjoying it.
my jeans feel a bit wet.
House. Oh, look at that house.
Lovely, isn't it?
Hey, that's no.
Your mud guards are a lot better than mine.
What, bud?
You've got nothing on you. Look on the back of me. Is this the left turn?
I think we've already done the left.
Oh, this goes to a bridge. I know where this goes.
Right.
This goes over a bridge.
Sorry, thank you. Lost. Miserable bastard. Right, sorry.
This goes over a bridge across that water again, where we came from.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Well, it don't matter then.
And this is what he's on about, that you join up back where we was.
Alright, okay. I didn't see the
No, they do that up here. Yeah, we can. I'm on 77.7 volts now.
Well, I'm on 70%. Watch it, it might be a bit.
Bit slippery. I parked here once and went down there. That's where I flew my drone, down there. It was icy when I came here. All the water was frozen.
Was it? Yeah, this is nice.
What we should do is go, when we go on our way back, I don't know where this goes now, I've never been up here. When we go back and get to that bridge where the vans are, we should, if we've got enough battery, go over the other side for a little bit. Ah, this is that place.
Pontistill.
This is that place, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is what we could see up there where they were screaming.
Yeah, it could be, yeah. I think they're just partying on me. I don't think it was. I think it was more like a laugh thing.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, find out now, so.
Outdoors. Oh, are we going the wrong way?
Ready?
Found it.
We were the other side and we heard all the screaming. We thought something had happened. We've just ridden all the way around.
Oh my God,
A lot of miles.
We thought that something had happened. We heard somebody screaming about my friend. So we've just ridden all the way around.
Oh my God, bless you.
So we're going to put a claim in, okay? That's just alright, as long as everything's okay. It's training and things.
Yeah.
So we've been panicking.
We was up there. We came all the way around.
We were up there in the trees on the path over there.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's alright, as long as everybody's okay, but we were shitting ourselves.
That's so kind of you to come and check.
No worries.
50 miles to get here. Right, we want a cup of tea now. Right, as long as you're okay. Alright, that's okay.
Right, I'm just going to check the maps.